Beste ikusi baina itzuli da. 우리 인스타리샤 sortzen dituzet,
ISO 50짜리 갖다가 껴가지고 그냥 생짜로 찍어보면 F스탑이 11, 16 이렇게 나와요. 그러니까 조직과 ISO도 지금은 같은 개념이라서 실질적으로는 4개밖에 없다. 4개밖에 없고 ND 필터 같은 경우는 외부에서 붙는 거거나 아무튼 카메라 내부의 센서의 문제라기보단 내장 필터라고 하더라도 센서 자체에서 하는 게 아니고 그 외부, 그 카메라 내부 안에서 그 물리적으로 들어가는 문제이거나 아니면 좀 하이엔드 카메라에서는 그냥 렌즈 앞에다가 붙이는 렌즈 필터이기 때문에 조금 다른 측면이에요.
솔직히 술김이었잖아, 우리 둘 다.
난 계속 너 만나고 싶은데.
Not spicy? Not that spicy.
Se les caga encima.
상그래도 일찍부터 막 들어가자. que hace mucho que no lo saco. No, y hace mucho que no quedamos.
Todavía pronto. Vaya, que yo lo que tengo que hacer es hacerme la cea un poquillo y por...
Yeah, probably.
Wait. So where we go?
But I think it's the thing for Europe. Go out to eat. You eat at home because
Yeah.
Leave only Korea. Not now. Because microdusts are...
Zoom of the camera.
There are many things that I am yet to see. Some I witnessed, I just can't believe it. The way it all works out. And when it sometimes doesn't go to plan, you're thrown right across and you get stuck in the sand. There's always a way somehow. Find a way somehow. Though the first instance it might seem hard, my friend, that's why we're always home. That's why we're always home. It all works out for the better in the end. That's why we're always home. That's why we're always home. So I guess this means we'll have to live and learn. Find out from the tactics that just didn't work. The way we always planned. It's not always clear as you thought to be. But just look in the mirror and then you'll see. The way it'll all work out.
yeah, it took a lot of energy from me.
Oh, Isaac's diary.
That's so big. Wait, I want to be.
I'm filming though. Fan. Yeah.
You can also write something Korean.
They hit for real.